Hey, I'm Joe and I welcome you to my channel, the channel where you learn how to take care of your nails by yourself at home. What I want to teach you in this video is how to apply stickers on your nails. In this video specific, I will apply stickers on regular nail polish. But I will also show you in another video how to apply stickers on semi-permanent nail polish, and this way you can compare them which one it will last longer. I will start by cleaning my nails. With this nail instrument, I will push the cuticles. With the sharp part, I will clean the surface of the nail. Then I will continue removing the cuticles from the sides of the nail with a nail file. With some scissors, I will adjust the nail at the wanted length, in this case short nails. And with the nail file, I'll just give a proper shape to the nail. A square shape. When you're done with this part, place your hand in a bowl of warm water and leave it for a few minutes so the cuticles will be soft and easy to be cut with the scissors. As the hard part is over and your nails are clean now, let's move to the fun part. I'll apply one layer of nail strengthener, then 2 layers of colored nail polish, and you properly let them dry. After this, you just apply the sticker on the nail. And you cover everything with a top coat, a transparent one. What I will also do is apply some oil for the cuticles to hydrate them. And we're done. I'll keep you posted on how things will go with stickers on regular nail polish, how long they will last. In the next video, I will show you how to apply stickers on semi-permanent nail polish, and I will also keep you posted how things will go in that case. Thank you very much for taking time to watch this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and to turn on the notifications so we can keep in touch. Take care, bye!